Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have 4 spring outfits that I want to try on and style with you guys. It's like officially feeling like spring. We have a tree blooming outside, not of our house, of someone else's house that I'm looking at. It's like 40 in the morning, but like 80 in the afternoon. It's spring in Dallas, okay? So yeah, I'm really into it. I've switched over my closet, officially made the complete switch, and it's kind of crazy that will be the last time that I'm doing this in this house, which is so nuts. But anyway, I'm so excited to share with you what I've got. Most of these are pieces that I've had for a while. I'll try to find something similar, but yeah, let's jump in. Let's actually start with my newest piece. If you watched my recent Abercrombie haul, which I'll throw up in the cards, I have this dress. Let's style her, even though it's like a dress, so I feel like you don't style a dress a ton. But the other thing is, I'm on the hunt for some bangles or cuffs, if you will. Let me know of a place if you guys have a place to get some. But let's put this dress on and style her up. So hard zipping a back zipper by yourself. And I worked out shoulders yesterday, so my shoulders really hurt. So this position is not fun. Okay. Anyway, I thought this dress was just too freaking cute, honestly. It has pockets, it's everything. It's so good, and I don't have to wear a bra with it, which I like. And I was envisioning my hair kind of like up in a bun type of thing. So let's kind of get a little clippy for that. It wouldn't be necessarily this clip. I'm just showing you what I was thinking of it up. And I was thinking like I need bangles or something, you know what I mean? Jazz it up. Anyway, it might be a bit chilly, and also I just feel like with a dress like that is so plain like this, I need something. So I'm gonna throw on this little like sweater, which I honestly think would be cute over the top of it as well, but if I needed to, which is why I thought yes. Are you seeing it's coming together? Okay. And then I have some options for shoes. I was probably thinking either sandals or flats. I have these ones. I gross myself out when I pick things up with my toes, but I also can't be bothered to bend down. So, ooh, she needs to be seamed. I got these ones from H&M last spring or summer, I want to say. And they're kind of like a woven flat, and I think they look honestly really cute with this. Or I had like a wrap type gladiator sandal thing that I also thought was cute. I had this like black and white striped long skirt that was similar, maybe it was like to here, and I would wear it to school with this black long sleeve, my hair in rollers, and I very much gave like mother, and I was here for it. What do I think? I think this turned out really cute. I just was like on the fence. I'm like, I need to style this dress a little bit more to see if it's like truly something that I'm gonna wear a ton, just because it's A, little bit pricier, and B, I just don't wear dresses a lot, even though I find them so adorable. But I love this drop waist type of look, and I'm loving the black sweater with it to kind of pop everything together. So what do I think? What do we think? I definitely need some like bangles though, some like statement type bracelets. I don't know, but here she is, cute. Oh, and then also, of course, because no look is complete without the sunglasses. What do we think? It's adorable. It's adorable. It's giving, I don't know, house Audrey Hepburn. Cute. All right, let's move on. Look number 2. Okay, look number 2. I pulled out my yellow button up, and I'm so excited. I actually thrifted this in New York last summer, so I'm really excited to wear it. It is a men's Oxford, which I feel like you guys know I love Oxfords, and I love yellow. So let's pop that on, and I'm going to pair it with just my classic Levi's. I have this vision of doing like brown with this yellow. I just think it's gonna look good, like a belt being kind of the statement piece, but we're gonna see how it all comes together, because this is a pretty big shirt, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to Yeah, just lost his mind, tuck it all the way in, but we're gonna try and see how it goes. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this baby. The struggle is too real. Oh God, no. So like I said, this is very long, so we're gonna see if I can get this. This could be a dress. I mean, a very short dress, but it could be a dress. No, it couldn't be a dress. Are you kidding me? Crazy. Anyway, let's attempt to tuck all of this into the jeans. I am less than hopeful, I'm not gonna lie, because these jeans are already very, very snug. But we're gonna put them on because how good do these blue jeans look with the yellow shirt? Like, are you kidding me? So good. We're gonna tuck them into our legs. I'm really going for it. Hopefully it'll make my butt look bigger. Could you imagine like having to go to the bathroom? I just would do this every time, I guess. Such is life. It's like going down into my legs. The things you do for a look. But I wanted it to be like a tuck tuck. I don't want to take this off. I want to wear this for the rest of the day. It's so cute. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. Sometimes the basics just do everything. What's in my pocket? Oh, a candy from when we ate sushi the other night. I was hoping it'd be like the Japanese candies that I really like, the melon ones, but it wasn't. But anyways, such is life. Okay, let's do some serious cuffs. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like, are you kidding? I love this little, I love it, okay? Love it. All right, next. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's basic, but it's good. We're gonna like cinch it to the gods, so it's like very like tight, 90s tight. Should I even unbutton? I saw this thing where girls are like buttoning it down a button. I don't know how I feel about that. Like buttoning it like different angles, but I definitely like an open moment. And then y'all know, whenever I wear this belt, I love ow, cramp. That's what I get for picking things up with my toes. I'm such a gorilla sometimes. I've been loving, I love pairing this belt with these little loafers. They're good. And these ones are sold out from Target, but I found a pair from Dolce Vita, I want to say, and they were on sale. So they're cute. These are cute little like sling back loafers. Adorable, okay? This was the vision. So I'm like debating, should I go sunnies? Kind of match. Oh. These sunnies, the minute I put these on, I am a new woman, okay? I am like, don't mess with me, you know? Or should I go nerdy? Some kitty glasses. I love this. So cute. Okay. I'm still obsessed with these glasses, but this turned out good. Does it make my butt look bigger? Because it's like extra padding. No. One could hope. Anyway, love how this turned out. It's giving librarian 90s a situation, not a librarian. It's giving 90s, which we know is most of my inspiration for fashion is 90s fashion, but this was look number 2. Very basic, very plain, very simple, but you got all the elements of a great outfit. So let's move on to look number 2. All right, but before I jump into look number 3, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Dossier, and they are doing an incredible sale. It is Fragrance Week, and they are doing up to 40% off, and that starts March 17th through the 23rd. So I wanted to get this video up a little bit early so you can plan your basket, load up for spring and summer so you can save the most on some incredible Dossier fragrance. But if for some reason you're unfamiliar with Dossier, basically they make fragrance affordable for everyone, not just the small percentage that can afford really high-end fragrances. They do Tom Ford, they do Byredo, they do Versace, Dior, all of these amazing replicas of really high-end fragrances that tend to just have that luxury markup price. And Dossiers start at just $39, and then with their sale going on, they also do amazing bundle deals. You will get the most for your money, and I personally have been wearing and using Dossier fragrances for 3+ years, and they're the only ones that I reach for, honestly. I don't have to feel guilty about going to town. I get to try different things and really just, I don't know. I think fragrance is just such a fun way to add a final touch to any outfit. So I wanted to share my current 3 right now that I'm in rotation. You guys know I own a lot of Dossier fragrances. I rotate a lot. I wanted to share with you some of my favorites and show you some of the brands that they are replicating on their site. So the first one is their Fruity Almond, and this one is a replica for Carolina Herrera, which her fragrances are so expensive. Good girl. This is so, it's like summery, but springy summery, but it has some depth to it. So it is almond, peach, orris, orange blossom, tuberose, and then tonka bean, vanilla, and cocoa. It's sweet. It's sweet, but floral, but it's everything. So freaking good. Next one, I feel like this one is a lot of people's favorite. When I used to work for Sephora, a lot of people would come in from Miss Dior's Blooming Bouquet. So this is their Citrus Peony, which is a replica of that. And it is so spot on, it's insane. If you like flowers, girl, you're gonna love this. This has mandarin, bergamot, blackcurrant, rose, apricot, peony, musk, peach, and raspberry. But I love that it's not like a sickening floral, it's a fresh, fruity floral, and so good. And then last but not least, another like really popular fragrance. This is for their Fruity Magnolia, which is a replica for Versace's Bright Crystals. And this is just like, this reminds me of, I can't think, this is one I'm wearing today. Oh, this smells so good. I can't remember what else this reminds me of, but this has got pomegranate, yuzu, aquatic accord. That's the aquatic accord. It reminds me a lot of Giorgio Armani. Acqua di Gio, not Acqua di Gio. Giorgio Armani, I can't think of the name that I'm thinking of, but anyways. Magnolia, peony, rose, amber, musk, and aquage wood. So good. So freaking good. And like I said, if you're a go-to-town type perfume girl and haven't heard of Dossier, you are missing out. And again, with the fact that Dossier is running this huge promotion for Fragrance Week from the 17th to the 23rd, it's the perfect time to stock up. So whether you're treating mom for Mother's Day, you are just looking to add some new fragrances to your spring and summer wardrobe, check out Dossier. I will have all the details in the description box down below, as well as my current top 3 picks. So I'll have all that in the description box down below. Let's move on to look number 3. Actually is all older pieces. I have these pair of pants that I felt like I just forgot about all fall and winter, so I'm like, we need to style them now. And they're brown, so I'm kind of like, they're like a taupey brown, so I'm kind of like, oh, but I'm like, let's bring some summery type of outfit elements, like a denim button up, short sleeve, to kind of brighten it up and see with like a fun sneaker. I'm gonna see. I don't know, I might need to put them back away until fall or winter of next year, but I hope not. I'm hoping that I can kind of spring summerify them. So let's pop them on really quick. They're from Abercrombie, and then we will, you know the drill. Like, this is where I style all the things. This might actually look really good with like a regular blue as well. These are like a drawstring trouser, which screams very like comfort, casual to me. A little blue to brighten her up. I just don't know though. It's kind of a boxy. I'm not mad at it. It's cute. I feel like I need some sort of like something, you know? I need some sort of something. I'm like debating if I don't. I'm not liking this denim shirt with it. When in doubt, white tee it out, you know? Let's do a hat. Makes it a little more summery, even though it's a dark hat. And then I'm thinking some chunky. Ooh, I don't know if I like that color. We'll see. Chunky sneakers with this to again kind of make it like summery and more casual. See how this color looks on it though. Nope, not liking that color against that color. It's like warm and cool. I don't like at all. It's not gonna, we're gonna destined to make it happen. These shoes are so beat to heck. They're my favorite. Okay, this is getting better. Maybe that's why I never wore these. Maybe I just don't know how to style them perfectly yet. This is cute though. I'm not mad at this. It's comfy. These pants are so comfy. They're so soft and silky. I just feel like I didn't know how to style them. I still don't know if I like nailed it. But like a crochet bag, I feel like kind of makes it a little summery. I think I'm overthinking it. I think it's cute. Is it my favorite? Maybe not. But it's cute. So let's move on to the fourth and final look. Let's move on to look number 4, which we're going like a little summery with her. Depending on where you live, you might be able to wear this. Depending on where you live, you might not be able to wear this, but let's do it. I'm gonna wear my white little linen skirt with blue sweaters. Let's do it. I got this in like a size large, maybe even extra large, from H&M last year or the year before. I'm not sure. I think it was this past year. But I got it in the large because it was the only size left and I really wanted it. Plus, I think it gave me like length, which I like a longer skirt. I also don't know how this is gonna work. We're gonna try, see, because I have hopes. I don't know. So I wore, just trust the vision, okay? I wore this tank with jeans, I want to say, and then this sweater, and I liked it. So I'm going to see how it goes with this, like kind of poking out of the sweater. I thought it was kind of cute. I did like a layery type of thing. It doesn't work for this, I don't think. Does not. Oh my god, why is this such a flop? This is not good. This is not good. Don't like revert. Okay, forget that outfit that I attempted to do. Well, I also don't know what this is going to do, but I'm more helpful for this. So denim, and then we're gonna do red. It's giving red, white, and blue in a very subdued way. Cute. Okay. We redeemed ourselves. Yes. Sometimes, see, it's just a process. Even me, who does this like all of the time, sometimes, a lot of times, I make flops. And you don't know until you try it on. You know, like when you'd be like at work in like college or something, and you'd be like, or even if you do it now, you like think of an outfit in your head and you get home and you'd be like, wow, no, that did not work until you try it on. Yeah, that's how you just need to practice and try things on. Sometimes even then, your eye or your brain deceives you. These sneakers are so cute. They give SpongeBob though, in the sense of like, you know that squeaky boot episode where they're like, kind of do that. Cute. Yes. She's the look. This is the look. Much better. Very spring, very cute. I'm loving the denim, the linen, the fun sneak. I'm here for it. Can we even see my sneakers? Yeah. Alright. That's it. That's my fourth and final look. I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was down below. I feel like the first two nailed. The third one, the fourth one, we redeemed ourselves. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.